Good morning everyone. Welcome to Shastri Swami Dharmprasad Das Ji College Una. Today we will learn in Main English paper number 22 TYBA. Paper number 22 and topic is biography of Khushwant Singh, writer of Train to Pakistan. Khushwant Singh was born in Hadali, Khushab district, Punjab, which now lies in Pakistan, in a Sikh family. He was the younger son of Sir Sobha Singh and Viran Bai. Sir Sobha Singh was a very rich person. Births and death were not recorded in his time, and for him his father simply made up 2 February 1915 for his school enrollment at Modern School, New Delhi. But his grandmother Lakshmi Devi asserted that he was born in August, so he later set the date of himself as 15 August. Sobha Singh was prominent builder in Lutyens, Delhi. His uncle Sardar Ujjal Singh was born 1895 and died 1983, was previously governor of Punjab and Tamil Nadu. His birth name given by his grandmother was Khushal Singh, meaning prosperous lion. He was called by a pet name Shali. At school his name earned him ridicule as other boys would mock at him with an expression Shali Shuli Bagdi Muli, meaning this Shali or Shuli is the radish of some garden. So he chose Khushwant. It rhymes with his elder brother's name Bhagwant. He declared that his name was self-manufactured and meaningless. But he later discovered that there was a Hindu physician with the same name and the number subsequently increased. He entered Delhi Modern School in 1920 and studied there till 1930. There he met his future wife Kanwal Malik, 1 year his junior. He studied Intermediate of Arts at St. Stephen's College in Delhi during 1930 to 1932. He pursued higher education at Government College, Lahore in 1930 and got his BA in 1934 by a 3rd class degree. He was very poor in study. Then he went to King's College, London to study law and obtain an LLB in 1938. Khushwant Singh started his professional career as a practicing lawyer in 1939. He worked at Lahore Court for 8 years. In 1947, he entered Indian Foreign Service for the newly independent India. He started as informational officer of the Government of India in Toronto, Canada. He was press attaché and public officer for the Indian High Commission for years in London and Ottawa. In 1951, he joined the All India Radio as a journalist. Between 1954 and 1956, he worked in Department of Mass Communication of the UNESCO at Paris. From 1956, he turned to editorial services. He founded and edited Yojana, an Indian government journal. In 1951 to 1953, the Illustrated Weekly of India, a news weekly, and 2 major Indian newspapers, the National Herald and the Hindustan Times. From 1980 to 1986, Singh was a member of Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan for service to his country. In 2007, the Indian government awarded Khushwant Singh the Padma Bhushan. Singh died of natural cause on 20 March 2014 at his Delhi residence at the age of 99. His death was mourned by many, including the President and Prime Minister of India.